Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia G60, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Cool. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Okay, firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. So I suggest you use best tool for cleaning your USB charging port. It's an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So just insert one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. And any dirt, any type of dirt, will be successfully cleared from your USB charging port. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.